Good morning, traders. Today is April 17th and it's 9:23 a.m. I'm done trading for the day. So my status for the day is I'm up 3,200 after commissions. I'm also on a 11-day winning streak so far. I think I posted almost all of those videos of me having those daily profits. Again, yeah, this performance chart it shows performance for the day. You can't like modify these numbers or anything. So I show this screen basically at about 9 o'clock every day. Yeah, it's great. I want to see how many consecutive winning days I could get. I'll keep you guys posted during this journey. So today was an interesting day. I made $90 per account on my funded accounts, and I actually risked some, like I traded with a lot of contracts on some of my unpaid accounts that were pretty close on getting funded. Well, like particularly this one, I needed about like 1,400 and to get it to the funded state, and I was able to get that today on this account, and then this one, or sorry, this one is the one I needed to get paid. This one I just got a little bit closer. And the reason why I'm risking a little bit more, I'll talk about more about those particular trades. But the reason why I'm risking more on these accounts is because the funding company that I use, Apex Trader Funding, they're doing a 90% out discount right now, which is I wish I had that opportunity with all of these accounts because I got these slowly, but right now I'm just getting them into the funded state a little quicker because worst case scenario, if I blow up the account, I could just create it for a very, very small price. And that promotion does end on this Thursday. So I do have a link description below about that and a coupon code if you guys are interested in joining that. I would highly recommend it. They never do such a crazy discount. I did blow one of my accounts where the reason why, yeah, there's a trailing stop of 2,500, but I was already up like about 1,300 with a trailing stop. It took me out, and which in this case, yeah, I don't care. But we'll talk about these trades. This one was really annoying. I got stopped out at the very tick at the peak, and so technically this 3,200 number is kind of skewed by this, but it's fine. Still a profitable day. Really, yeah, happy with the results. I thought it was gonna be a much slower day, but it ended up to be a pretty decent day. So let's switch over to the main chart. So yeah, so what happened here was yeah, we had a market that started. This is ES 20,000 volume bars with the delta, the difference between buyers and sellers. So what we saw was, yeah, the market opened. I usually start trading around 7 a.m. I saw basically, to me, this whole setup is look for a short this morning unless it breaks out of this high, which was about like 41.69. And so basically, yeah, we had like about, yes, 654. It pulled back, then it started going up, and I believe yeah, so let me switch over to the MES contract where I was trading my accounts. Yeah, so this is where I actually started shorting at on MES for now. Yeah, so 659. I entered a short at 41.64, and then I added another one at 41.66. And I actually almost got stopped out here. I had my stop 2 ticks higher, so basically it was like about 4 ticks from being stopped out. If it broke out of this value area, and so pretty got kind of lucky. I mean, but the point of this trade was that yeah, I'm still looking for a short, and if it breaks higher, I'll get stopped down, and I would look for a long opportunity. But yeah, so I added another contract. It pulled back. I was considering getting profit, but like I think I was up maybe about $50 or something on this trade. I was because I did realize it might be a range market right now. And then I think Nasdaq was also in a range, so I was like, maybe I'll take profit, but I didn't. Then it pulls back higher, almost gets to my stop again. I saw a lot of sellers step in, so I added another contract, and then it sold off. And then I saw this aggressive 1 minute bar, so I just took profit. That's the $90 profit that I took today, and then pulled back a little bit more, and then kind of like toiled around for a while. And then we did see some selling going into 9 o'clock, which I kind of missed this uh, load. I should have. I think there was an opportunity to enter, but I was a little bit distracted, so I didn't notice it. But so if you see, so what? Yeah, what happened was when I was taking the short, I did. So yeah, when this is where around the time I took a short here. I saw this delta of 546. Like as it was going, it was obviously different, but it wasn't strong delta. That's why I added another contract here. And then I saw when it actually sold off in this move right here. Um, or sorry, this move right here. I did see a decent amount of sellers of 1320 negative delta. I thought maybe this is gonna break lower. I think I had a target of uh 56 or something, somewhere around. Yeah, there's a support area somewhere around here, 57, 56. But I decided to just hold it. Then it pulls back. I actually, I thought I might get stopped out with this aggressive buyers here, but then I'm still, like I said, the picture is still short. So eventually it starts pulling back. And then, yeah, and then we see strong sellers here, and then kind of continued a little bit lower, pulled back with some buyers stepping in, but then sellers stepped in, and then just kind of like I said, toiled around here. I did like this selling right here. I wanted to sell into kind of like this after it kind of broke out of this range. But the thing is, I didn't like selling to these lows. And then yeah, and then it fell to the first extended opening range area, bounced up a little bit, tested, and then basically sold off to the second. This is a 50% move of the opening range, which is the low and high of the opening range. And then so this is 100%. So you look at the measurement of from here to here, it's the same as here to here. So that's what kind of what the how it calculates this number, and it works a lot. That's why I have them. So basically, yeah, it sold off to the second one. Found a lot of, even though like there was a lot of sellers when it came to this area, like it just could not break it. Like all the sellers got absorbed, and then it yeah recovered with strong buyers, and right now it's kind of finding like almost support in this area, which is again, yeah, like right here, another 3,000 buyers could not break this area right here that I had. um so yeah, pretty interesting market today. Like yeah, I didn't expect, like basically yeah, I thought it's going to be more of a range today. That's why I just locked in the profits and called it good. But yeah, we could look at quickly at Nasdaq. The Nasdaq, yeah, was a little bit more bearish. So this is, so it like yeah, similar picture in the morning. We had this push up where I almost got stopped out, and that's actually the other thing that made me confident in holding that trade. Was Nasdaq was not breaking highs; it was significantly lower, and then it sold off, and then basically retested kind of into this value area, and then just keeps selling off. So yeah. Yeah, I want to talk to you guys about let me trade on or turn on the show order fills now. So this is where I was risking some of my accounts. So I was the areas that I was shorting on micros. So I took a 10 lot short on ES full contract, and then basically that's where I locked in the profit. This is on I believe, yeah, so this is, pull up that performance chart. Yeah, so this was this account right here. I just locked in, got it to funded. Then I let me switch the, sorry about this. Let me switch the to a different account. So this is the account that I blew, and I was really like yeah, it hurt seeing this because basically I shorted here. It did pull back a little bit, so I locked in. The trailing stop got moved, and then it like just went up, took me out at the exact high, like for that loss. And I wish my stop, if it would be a little bit higher, I would have got stopped out, and this actually would have been potentially another funded account. But the thing is, yeah, I didn't. Like, I mean, it just happened to be at the exact peak where I got stopped out. So it's fine. I got basically still two, and then the final account I reshorted on this bar and bought, yeah, like the 2000 profit. So yeah, like definitely risking it, but like I said, Apex funding, trader funding is doing a huge promotion right now, so it's worth risking right now until Thursday. So I don't mind it. Um, but that kind of sums up my trading for today. I might, yeah, the market is kind of moving pretty nicely. I'll probably make I'll see on the setup. I might do some trading between 10 to 11. I like the price action during that time frame as well. So we'll see if, yeah, I might make a quick like YouTube short or something on that. But that, yeah, that basically sums it up. And one thing I wanted to mention is the reason why I look at ES instead of, like, for example, like the delta and everything on ES instead of MES where I trade, like for example on my funded accounts, is because I don't MES basically follows ES, right? Like it's almost like a copy of ES, and I want to make sure I'm looking at where the big law traders are happening. Like for example, if this could be like negative 3,000 delta of sellers on ES, but on MES this could be 2,000 positive delta, and it's just gonna mess up my trading and my setups and so on. So that's why I look at ES particularly. I know somebody asked me that question, so I wanted to answer that. So yes, if you like this content, I did just recently started making these videos about a week or two ago. If you like this content, feel free to, yeah, like and subscribe. I would highly appreciate it. I just recently started recording this type of trading, so I would highly recommend you join in and learn from me. I've been doing this for over 7 years now, and yeah, I've been profitable for many years. Let's do this journey together. Thank you for watching.